Okay, it looks like there's this new tutorial on Coinbase. So you get $10 of compound, which is a really good deal. And it says you also get $3 in USD coin. So let's just try it. I haven't tried it yet. See what happens. Download Coinbase wallet. Okay, do that. Okay. Okay, so now it says open Coinbase. Go to the settings tab. Connect to Coinbase. Okay. Okay, connect to Coinbase. Okay, so now connected. Interest on your crypto. Open your Coinbase wallet on your phone if you don't see thing. Okay, so let's go to the other app. And all right, so I got $8 in Ethereum and then $3 in USD coin. Okay, and so what does it say to do? Earn interest on your crypto. Okay. 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 What was it supposed to do? Okay, so USD coin, I see. Okay, so earn interest on your crypto, USD coin. $3. Oh. So it looks like I'm earning interest with compound now. That's cool. I didn't even read what the tutorial was about. But yeah, so that's pretty interesting. So it took a little while, like maybe 5 or 6 hours. I think there was something wrong with their servers or something. Maybe it'll be faster in the future, but eventually the transaction went through and I got $10 in compound here. And I also got so I got $10 compound, and then I got to keep whatever I had here. So $3 earning interest on USD Coin to compound, and I got some leftover Ethereum, so $2 for it. So, I got like $15 for that short little tutorial, so that's a good deal. Go check it out.